Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a new unboxing from Honcho Wholesale. So you would like to see what I got in this box, continue to watch. Okay, so this box is 25 items of summer spring clothing. I'm all in at $160.68, which makes each item $6.43 a piece. So let's dig in. First, we're starting with a pair of Karen Scott polka dot navy capris. And they have the button detailing on the side. And these are a size 16 wide. And the original price has been taken off. Next is a Alfani dress. Striped dress. It's a size 18 wide and the original price is $99.50. Next is this top by Alfani, and it's like a t-shirt top. It has a built-in t-shirt underneath, and then it has this pretty sheer open top over it. And it is in a size 2X, and it is originally priced at $75.50. Next is another top by Alfani in like a aqua green, and it's sleeveless, and it's a high-low. Okay, and the size is 3X. And the original price is unknown. Next is a pullover top, short sleeve top by Karen Scott with the buttons on the V-neck. And it is a size 2X and the original price is $14.99. Next is a City Chic cami. It's a tier cami, and the size is 16 and the original price is $45. Next is a floral short sleeve top by Karen Scott, and it's V-neck, and the original price is $14.99 and the size is 3X. Okay, so it's tangled, but it looks like a... Okay, so it's a patterned top with its own necklace. 3/4 length sleeve. But very much breathable for this time of year. So it's a good transitioning piece, and I'm sorry the necklace is tangled, but it's by NY Collection and it's in a size 2X and the original price is $49. Next is this floral top by Alfani, and it's just a slightly high-low collared blouse. And it's in the size 3X. And the original price is $75.50. And then I have another one. And this one's in a 2X. Here is a maxi skirt by Style & Co. And it's just a navy maxi skirt with stem lines throughout. And it's in a size 2X, and no, I'm sorry, the size is 1X. It's in a size 1X, and it's in navy blue. So here is a sleeveless dress by Alfani, and it's a high-low dress, and it has palm tree patterns throughout, so it kind of gives a wrap pattern at the bottom, but in the back it kind of drapes lower. And it is by Alfani, and it is a size 1X, and the original price is $99.50. So here is a sleeveless top, which kind of reminds me of the dress that I held up earlier, and it's by Alfani. Nice little geometric patterns all throughout, and it is a size 2X. This is by City Chic, and it is a floral dress, short sleeve, and it has the zipper pattern in the front, so it zips all the way down, and it is a size 20, and the original price is $99. Next is this floral boat neck top by Karen Scott, and it's short sleeve, got these pretty blue flowers on it. Original price is $24.50, and the size is 3X. Here is a coral pullover v-neck, short sleeve by Karen Scott. The original price is $14.99, and the size is 1X. Here's a floral boat neck, short sleeve top by Karen Scott. The size is 0X, and the original price is $24.50. Here's another navy blue maxi dress by Style & Co. And this one's in a size 3X. And the original price is $60.50. Here is a cobalt blue stripe blouse from Alfani. And it's a high-low blouse. And it's a 0X, and the original price is $75.50. Next is a pair of comfort waist capris. And these are cargo capris by Style & Co. They got the side pocket. And they are in a size 24 wide, and the original price is $34.99. Next is a pair of cargo capris by Karen Scott in a light denim color, and they're size 2X, and the original price is $46.50. And here is a v-neck short sleeve top by Karen Scott, and it's in a size 1X, and the original price is $14.99. Okay, and I have two more of these collar floral blouses by Alfani. It's a button down, and it's a high-low, and they're short sleeve. This one's in a size 3X, and this one is in a size 2X, and the original price is $75.50. Last item in this box is a white jacket with floral petals in the top. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Now I'm checking for any stains. I don't see no stains, and it's a zip up. There's the back. And it's in a size 0X. And the original price is $93.50. this box had a lot of new items in it. Some I've had before, repeat items, but most of it was new, or I haven't had them in a while. So we'll see how it does in the listing video. And the overall box was in great condition. Everything had tags, no stains, no, that I can tell, no obvious rips or damage. So I'm pleased with that, and we'll see how it does in the unboxing. So I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video, and make sure you hit the bell next to the word subscribe so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Catch you in the next one.